Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing Spectrum Wi-Fi in 2026 and answering one simple question: is it actually worth your money? So, if you want strong Wi-Fi coverage at home, smoother streaming, better gaming performance, and fewer dead spots, this review is going to help you decide. So, first of all, let's just understand what is Spectrum Wi-Fi actually is. So, Spectrum Wi-Fi refers to the Wi-Fi service you get when you sign up for Spectrum Internet, including the wireless equipment Spectrum provides and how well your home network works. So, let's just understand what it is actually good about. So, one of the biggest advantages of the Spectrum Wi-Fi is its convenience. Spectrum is going to give you a Wi-Fi gateway or the modern router combo that's easy to set up and works right out of the box. In 2026, most of the areas now use modern Wi-Fi technology like Wi-Fi 6 or even Wi-Fi 7 hardware. That means faster wireless speeds, better device handling, and broader coverage than the older routers. For most homes, the Spectrum Wi-Fi delivers reliable connections for phones, laptops, smart TVs, and gaming consoles, even when multiple devices are online at once. Another plus is the integration with the Spectrum application, which is going to let you see the connected devices, test your speeds, set the parental controls, and manage your network without digging into the router settings. So, after mentioning all of these types of positives, let's just understand some of the downsides too. So, first of all, the built-in Wi-Fi gear isn't always the strongest as compared to the top tier third-party routers. In large homes or the spaces with the thick poles, you might still experience weak signal areas. The next thing is some advanced features like mesh networking or advanced traffic prioritization may require additional equipment or upgrades the extra cost as well. While Spectrum Wi-Fi is good for most of the people, the power users or the large households may want dedicated mesh systems or higher end routers for maximum coverage. So you must be wondering who is this particular Spectrum Wi-Fi is best for. So Spectrum Wi-Fi makes sense if you want easy setup, reliable everyday performance, and solid coverage in most of the homes without needing to be a tech expert. If your home is very large or you have many high demand devices, adding a mesh Wi-Fi system or stronger router could be worth the extra cost. So if this review helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.